The Indian market started on a very positive note in the week gone by, with good expectations of monsoons expected to come through after 2 consecutive years of drought. What this basically did was fuel and give a fillip to a lot of agrarian stocks, with the agrochemical stocks, the fertilizer stocks, anything to do with tractors, the auto stocks, the two-wheeler stocks, and that momentum was carried largely for the better part of this week. Largely, I think we expect the markets to consolidate, and the numbers, specifically in terms of Q4 results, have started coming through. Infosys has given a very good set of numbers with good guidance expected to come through for the coming fiscal. Followed that up with TCS, which produced a very decent show, and the expectations of the businesses of Diligent, LATAM, and the Japanese vertical expected to bottom out and perform well going forward. What probably disappointed the street largely would be how the banking stocks will perform. But again, I think there has been some amount of news flow coming through in terms of the AQR and some accounts not required to be recognized. But again, I think it will be over a period of time that we'll probably see an earnings recovery happening in a whole host of these banking stocks. And they need to recover because a whole host of earnings depend on how the banking stocks perform. So from 2nd of FY17, my own take is earnings recovery in banking stocks should start happening. Till that point of time, the larger private sector banks, the larger PSU banks should continue. For the remainder of the earnings season, my own take is capital goods, infrastructure should start delivering from the second half as well. The Q4, Q1 numbers might be a little bit muted. So one really has to be selective in this space when it comes to cement, infrastructure, construction, engineering. And largely, I think the large caps is something that will still remain our focus on. Have a staggered way of investing in these stocks over the next few months, considering what kind of data comes through, specifically from the US markets and the European region. The markets will remain extremely volatile. So I think happy investing, have a great week.